And plus, I've been scammed. One of my neighbors, in fact, scammed me. That's not
Okay.
good. I'm
So,
selling my
sir,
place.
and I'll do the recalls here. Arbor Woods versus David McLeod.
David McLeod.
McLeod?
McLeod.
McLeod. McLeod.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
yeah. Hey, I was
All
here
right.
before, but I couldn't. You couldn't hear me.
Okay. All
Thank you
right.
for
Very
taking the
good.
time. Yeah.
Okay. What is plaintiff's claim in this case?
With costs $1,823.72.
All right. Sir, how are you
Well,
intending on getting that paid?
well, first of all, I got a lot of money tied up in probate. My son, Aaron, was the attorney uh, for the state. What do you call that? The attorney general, or I don't know. Anyway, he wrote a check from that account, and it was closed. So that put me a month behind, and I just found that out. I'm 76 years old, and so that's a month there that he paid, and I don't know if that's illegal or right from a check like that, but maybe he didn't know it. He wrote it, and then they grabbed it for probate court. But it's been since September when my brother died, so that's 4 months. They should be coming out of probate anytime. Secondly, I get a check for retirement on the 1st of February for 1,000. And then my Social Security comes another week or so after that. I think it's this second Wednesday of February. So I just need a stopgap in between. And plus, I've been scammed. One of my neighbors, in fact, scammed me. That's not
Okay.
good. I'm
So,
selling my
sir,
place. I'm selling my place. I got cash buyers, but I just have to have money to clear this place out before they give me the money. So I got all these things coming in for money, but I'm caught in the middle, especially at my
all
age.
right. Have you contacted Housing Bureau for Seniors or Hawk?
Contacted what, sir?
Housing Bureau for Seniors?
Uh, th- they're they speak up for seniors.
Yeah, and they sometimes can help with payment.
Oh, you don't have closed captioning, do you?
We do. What did you need?
Well, I just need to hear what you said, who to contact, because
Okay.
I seem like I went and talked to the office here, and they didn't seem to
No, it's
have any
okay.
patience. Yeah,
So I'm Mr. McLeod, and can we
yeah,
type this into him? We're
McLeod.
gonna type a chat into you. What I'm gonna have you do is contact Hawk. They should be able to help direct you to Housing Bureau for Seniors and the like, okay? Oh, you muted yourself. Mr. McLeod?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Okay,
Yeah.
we can hear you. My
Okay.
staff is typing in the number for Hawk into so you should see that come across your screen.
Okay.
Okay, give them a call and they'll be able to at least direct you in a particular direction, maybe to the Housing Bureau for Seniors and the like, okay?
Well, I don't want to lose this place. I can't move. I want to.
No, we're not looking for you to lose it either, sir, okay? Oh, you muted again.
I will get the number and give them a call.
Okay, I'm going to adjourn this case out to January 23rd, 2026 at 2 p.m. And
Okay.
that's an in-person hearing. So if you can make it, you need to come down to the courthouse, okay?
All right, I'll come down to the courthouse and we'll get this straightened out because I got this all cash flow coming in, but it's not until early February. So maybe there's a
Gotcha.
stopgap. All right. Thank you for your time, sir, and have a great weekend and God bless you.
And Your Honor, before
Thank you.
Mr. McLeod
Oh.
leaves, he said something and I wanted to make sure that he understands requirements under the rules and regulations. I don't know if his buyers will know to do this. And I just want to make sure that he follows the park's procedures. Mr. McLeod, if you do end up selling your home to one of the buyers you mentioned, please make sure that if they intend to keep the home on the site, that they get into the management office to apply.
Yeah.
Get approved before you give them the title.
Oh, yeah. Before I give them
Yes, sir.
you
Before
still
you
there?
transfer
Yeah.
them the title, just make sure that they've gotten their application in and that they've been approved by management.
Okay. You say you have a phone number for me?
Yes, did you see it?
No, I don't see it.
It's in the chat. You got something to write with, Mr. McLeod?
Yeah, I do. I do.
Okay. It's 734 area code
Uh-huh.
961
Yeah.
1999.
Oh, that's the number you gave before. I've been on here for
Yeah.
2 hours. All right.
Okay.
961-1999. God bless you, sir, and thank you, and have a great weekend.
Thank you, and you also, sir.
And I will stay in touch with the attorney there too, and the office.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Court calls the case of Arbor Woods versus Tarina Taylor.
I'm here.
Oh, there she is. All right. That's Miss Taylor, right?
Yes.
All right. All right. What is plaintiff's claim in this case?
With costs, Your Honor, $4,430.44.
All right. Miss Taylor,
Yes.
how are you going to get that paid?
Well, it got that high because I moved here off of a false eviction. And come to find out I did not have to move. So I had a discussion with the office in written paper saying that they was gonna reimburse me and pay my first 2 months.
Ooh.
And they never did, and I'm taking them to court, but I just started a new job, so I was gonna ask if I can have like 30 days.
Well, hold on. So the people that are going to pay the 2 months, that's not Arbor Woods. That's some other landlord.
Yes.
All right. And have you filed an action in court regarding them?
I had brought this up to their attention a couple of days ago when I received the paper. Well, not really a couple of days ago, but when I received the paper, I brought it up to their attention, and they told me I can't talk to nobody, that I have to email them, and I've emailed multiple times, and they have not reached out to me.
Who is that?
Denbury Park Manor.
Danbury Park?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Okay, you just started working?
Yes, a new job, because my job was far, and then my car ended up messing up, so I had to get my car fixed. I lost that one, so I ended up having to find a new job.
Okay. Do you have anything you can pay over this next week?
I can try.
Okay. All right. You're just not sure?
Not
All
sure.
right. What I will do, ma'am, is I'm going to adjourn this out to the 23rd, next Friday, 2026, 2 p.m. That's an in-person hearing.
Okay.
Have you tried to seek assistance through Hawk or other agencies?
Yeah, I had is it DHS for SCR? I haven't got anything back. I've never had to deal with nothing like this. So
Okay,
I really
it's
don't know
okay.
what to do.
All right. Do an SCR. You did an SCR, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so in your paperwork, there's what's called a rental assistance form. You need to fill that out and get that to the court by next Wednesday.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
And making sure to put your tracking number that you have for your SCR.
Okay.
Okay, have you called Hawk at all?
No.
All right, let me give you their number.
Okay. 1 second. Where's my school book bag? I do not have a pen. My book bag must be outside. Oh,
Okay, it's a real easy number. It's
let me go to my sister and see if she can type it down.
okay.
Can you type down this number for me, please?
I'm sorry.
I was talking to my sister to take down a number for me.
Okay, it's 961
961
1999.
1999.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, call them and see if there's anything out there that might assist you in the interim while you're dealing with your prior landlord.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll adjourn it to that date at 2 p.m. That's an in-person hearing, so you'll need to be down here at the courthouse. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Arbor Woods versus Brittany LaFloria.
Rachel Dornbush, appellate on behalf of the plaintiff.
But I saw her.
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, there she is. Okay. All right. What is plaintiff's claim?
Well, Your Honor, in this one, the case before the court this morning is actually what might
A
be
termination.
referred to as yes, it's a termination, but it's a companion case, I suppose, with an action that is scheduled for a hearing this afternoon, and we had previously adjourned that matter to finalize an agreement, which we have since finalized, and it has been sent over to the court this morning to Ms. Hartwick. I would defer to the court, Your Honor,
So
regarding.
she has another case this afternoon.
Yes, and that case is resolved, and the entry of the agreement in that case would warrant a dismissal of this case. And so I don't
Got
know
it.
if Your Honor would prefer to call the afternoon case now, and then I can dismiss this case on the record, or adjourn this.
Yes, yeah, I'll do it. I've got that case now in front of me, and that is Arbor Woods versus LaFloria, that being the case ending in 4421.
And yes, Your Honor, so an agreement was forwarded to the court that has been reviewed and signed by both parties. It is a consent order for conditional dismissal, indicating that the complaint for non-payment of rent is conditionally dismissed. The court shall retain jurisdiction for enforcement purposes. Defendant's counterclaim is dismissed with prejudice. It acknowledges a rental balance due through January 31st, $6,722.46. It contains an agreement that defendant is going to vacate the leased premises on or before January 31st, 2026, and will be deemed to have vacated when the keys are returned to plaintiff. It indicates that so long as defendant vacates as agreed and pays a sum of $3,361.23, which represents half of the total balance currently due, along with the return of the keys, plaintiff agrees to waive the other half of the rental charges due and owing. It indicates that if defendant fails to vacate or pay as agreed, then plaintiff may file an affidavit of non-compliance for reinstatement of the complaint for non-payment of rent, entry of a default judgment, and issuance of an order of eviction, which shall occur immediately, simultaneously, and without further appearance of the parties. Defendant's security deposit of $500 will be handled pursuant to the Landlord and Tenant Relationships Act. And that any waivers referenced in this agreement do not include any damage to the premises above normal wear and tear. So that may still be sought if such damage exists, and we won't know that until possession is recovered. It indicates any waiver by plaintiff of any term or condition contained herein shall not be construed as a waiver of any other condition. Finally, Your Honor, it indicates that the 56-day rule pursuant to MCR 4.201M and the 14-day provision pursuant to MCR 2.612C are waived. So as indicated, Your Honor, I have signed, Ms. LaFloria has signed, and we have now presented that to the court for entry.
All right. And she's been apprised of her right to the court.
Your Honor, I apologize. I did not specifically advise Ms. LaFloria of her rights, and I'm happy to do so unless Your Honor wants to.
No, I'll take care of it here. All right, Ms. LaFloria, is all of that correct?
Yes.
Okay, did you have any questions regarding this conditional dismissal?
No.
All right, you understand its terms?
Yes.
All right. You have 3 business days to think about this. If you believe that there's some right you didn't assert, some confusion or mistake on your part, or some other reason why you think that this court should set that conditional order dismissal aside, you'd have to file a motion within 3 business days of today's date. That doesn't mean that the court would set it aside, but you have that opportunity to file that motion. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, very good. The court will enter the conditional order dismissal, the court being satisfied with its terms. So that's on case, so that the record is clear on the case ending in 4421. And pursuant to that, based upon what plaintiff has represented, the case ending in 4812 will be dismissed.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. LaFleur. Good luck to you.
Thank you.